Yeah, welcome guys to my YouTube channel today. I want to make a quick analysis on CHFJPY, and I want to share my thoughts about what I'm expecting becoming with CHFJPY. And it's not a financial advice, but it's more like an educational stuff. Like you can learn from what I say, practice it on the charts. If it works for you, you take it. If it doesn't work for you, leave it. So I'll be talking about the basic structures, the basic patterns I have been seeing in the charts quite a long time, and it has been working very well. Yeah, very well. It has been giving me wins. So one of the patterns I would love to share with you is if, for example, the market was going making series of lower lows and lower highs. There is a break in the market structure to the downside. So there will come a time where the very trend might actually see a potential reversal, maybe to the upside. Maybe after the last breaking market structure, you can see a push to the upside, breaking the structure. So I always want to see stuff like this. And whenever I see stuff like this on the charts, I always take, I always consider it to be a very good opportunity. What I would do is just for me to wait for sell to that block, or maybe to support the very good support for if it buy to the upside. Then there are moments you the moment you have a consolidation and the market trade down to to that very zone, consolidates, all of a sudden it will break out. It will be so bad for you to buy immediately the market break out. But you have to wait for a retest of a broken structure already. The very high, like the last high before the market break to the upside this year is at the very point. So you need to wait for a market to trade down to trade to that very zone before you can take a buy position. This very consolidation point is more like an accumulation phase where people were taking profits, so they were taking profits. Many manipulation were happening here. People were taking many positions, many buy positions. So let me get rid of this from my chart. Sorry about that. Too many for me to get rid of it at once. So let's dive into the business of the day. Then from my higher time frame now, you can see zooming out from the chart, the market has been trending to the upside. So I'll be looking for buying opportunity until some major structures is broken to the downside, then my bias will change. My bias will change. So from my 4-hour time frame, after the minus sell to the downside, more like minus sell to the downside, more like a pullback or huge continuation. I will be looking for opportunities to buy, to help into the market. So the overall trend for CHFJPY is uptrend like bullish. At times you can find a trend of the market for entries. So I'll deliberate more on that today. So zooming to the charts now, zooming into the charts, the market has been downtrending and it was respecting a resistance, a downtrending resistance. From here, so all of a sudden the market has been able to break past this trend line, which shows to me that the pullback is over. The pullback to the downside is over. It's now remaining for a main trend to play out. So now, how do you work out the entry point? At first, if the market is actually downtrending and there is a break to the upside, if, for example, it was a double top, maybe there was a double top, while the market was down, the market was going down. The market will be coming up. There's a possibility for that very double top here now to be taken out. So those very zones will be going to be taking profit, going to be taking profit and be trading the stops. So I've been able to mark out a trend line liquidity here, trend line, and the market has broken past the trend line, showing to me that the main trend of the market is about playing out. And I can spot a double top here. I call that liquidity zone where money is actually resting, in that the markets will trade and take out that very in the future. So now, from what I described earlier, after the markets the market was able to downtrend, making lower lows, was able to make lower lows to the downside. And at this very point, there was a consolidation before the trend changes to the upside, meaning that there was an indecision at this very point. Buyers and sellers were struggling. This is a very psychological point in the markets. The people who sold from the top here were taking profits. The taking profits. And many buyers came into the market. You can see many a times the market rejected from this very zone. Then at last there was a breakout for that very zone. Would it be it will be so risky to maybe after the breakout you enter a buy position? It will be so risky. Instead, you since this very this high, what to do just for you to wait for the market to come back to a point within that very zone, for you to enter a buy position. And this another break in market structure. So another break in market structure. So it would have been good for you to mark out the very last black candlestick. Mark out that very last black candlestick. That is another block. And the market after the break in market structure, the market traded down to that very last black candlestick before the bullish engulfing candle pushes to the upside. So if you were unable to enter a buy position from here, this was another very good opportunity to help you buy to the upside. Then the very candle that was responsible for this very move to the upside. Mark this to be the high, because if you're in a downtrend, market will be making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And if you are in an uptrend, market will be making higher highs and higher highs and higher lows. So this was a high, another high, another high, another high, probably so until this very low here is broken by trend validated. So I've been able to mark out the trend where the market is about following. So how do I enter the buy position? Because if you want to enter here, maybe if the market opens, you enter instant. So risky. You know, if I want to share this very strategy with you, if the market will be buying for that very day, and the very market open, it will sell first to a particular point. It will sell to maybe a demand zone. If it were to buy, it will sell to a demand zone and then quick move to the upside. Or if it were to sell for that very day, it will buy to a supply zone, maybe the lower time frame. So if I should go to my lower time frame now, before I will be entering a buy position, I will look for a break in market structure to the upside first. That will give me an edge for me to take a buy position. Because if I want to enter from it, it's so risky. So Another thing I want to point out is if the market was uptrending, maybe the previous daily candle, the day candle, maybe yesterday's candle closes as a pin bar or rejection candle. I'm not saying it works all the time, but I have been observing it most of the times. Mark out 50% of the week. The previous day, the following day candlestick, before going up, the market will trade to hit, then maybe hit 50% of the candlestick or even full of the candlestick and push to the upside. So I'm expecting, I'm expecting a push to that very zone with 50% of the week before the bullish continuation. So going to 1 hour time frame, I'm done determining um, the trade of the market. So what I'll be looking for now is entries. You can see this was a clear break in market structure to the downside for it to hit a particular zone for you to sell. I don't know whether you're getting my point. There was a break in market structure. Before the market sell at a particular point before continuing the trend, there will possibly be a break, a little break in market structure from the lower time frame to the downside before the bullish continuation. So after the break in market structure, this is the 1 hour time frame. I'm expecting the market to sell to 50% of the very candlestick, 50% of the week before the bullish continuation. And I'll check my 15 minutes time frame for a break in market structure that will confirm to me that the market will actually sell that. Yeah. So from my 15 minutes time frame, can I see something good now? Let me check my 5 minutes. Yeah, from my 5 minutes time frame now, bro. From my 5 minutes time frame, this was a high. This was a high. And another high. And a low. Another high. And a low. Another high. And a low. But this very low here was able to close below this very point. And there was a push up. There was a push up, and the liquidity was formed here. What I explained earlier, that once there is a double top or a double bottom, in the future the market will trade to that very zone to take it out. So this was a low and a high. sorry, this was a low, high, low, high to the upside, and a low. And this low was unable to close below this very low. So I'll be looking for my entries around this very zone here. So, and this is another high, another low, another high, which has break past this zone. So there is a break in market structure from that very point. So I expect that very scenario that before the markets buy, it will sell to this very point. Then I would love to mark this very last bearish candlestick before it push to the upside to be the point of my interest. So I'll be entering from 50% of the candlestick once the market gets to that very point. Then it looks so choppy. Let me delete this. Let me delete it from my chart. Already I've been able to explain something for you to note. Okay, good. So I'll be expecting the market to trade back to that zone. Expecting the market to trade back to that zone, then I take a buy entry, and my first take profit will be at this very high. Then I'll throw my stop. This will be my very first take profit. That's here. Then, so I'm going to see how the market will react to that very zone. Then now, if the market invalidates this very zone, I still have another entry opportunity. That will be from this very zone here. So I'll be looking for two entry points from here. If the first one got stop me out, enter from 50% of the candles of the zone rather. So I'm bullish on CHFJPY. So I'll be waiting for the market to open next week to see how market reacts to those very zones. So that's what I have for CHFJPY. If you have any problem or any pain you want me to talk about, I will urge you to drop it in the comment section, and do well to give a thumb up to the video, and also subscription to the YouTube channel if you've not done that. If it's the very first time of watching my videos, please do well to share it to your friends Thank you guys for watching.